Hi, my name is Catalina Vasquez, and this is my professionalism assignment. So the first question is, how did my attitude, logic, and behaviors influence my projects? I always say this. I always go into the month with a great attitude, because if you don't have a good attitude, you're not going to have a good outcome, and that's just that. If I had to grade my overall performance on a 100-point scale based on what I created and not on effort or intent, I am confident I would give myself a 98. I feel like I tried my best, but I had to ask for an extension on one assignment, and it was kind of challenging just in general, balancing graphic design and web design. But yeah, I'd give myself a 98 for sure, because I'm pretty confident in the work that I did. As I started working on my projects, I realized I wanted to know more about what Wix has to offer and also what Squarespace might have to offer, although I didn't use Squarespace. I wish I would have taken advantage and used a different CMS, but I didn't. I used Wix, but I learned a lot more about Wix, so that's good. What resources were available to me? There were a lot of resources available to me. I mean, Full Sail has a lot to offer, and also the internet in itself has a lot to offer. So that's always good. If I had more time, I would have worked a lot more on my portfolio website. I feel like I did not do enough for my site, and it still needs like a lot of work. What could I have done differently to improve my projects? For Real Deal Tacos, I'm really proud with how my site came out. It's a site that would make me happy if I went on it. So for that site, I don't see any other improvements that I could have made. But again, for my portfolio website, I just wish we had spent just a little bit more time working on just my portfolio website. So I'll just be doing that in like portfolio months. How will I use this in my career? I think that this class was very much geared towards working with a client, which I loved. And Libby, you gave like some really good real life advice, and you always like helped us see what the client might feel or what they might be thinking, which is so refreshing to hear because we will need that in the real world. What advice would I give to future students in this course? For a student taking this course in the future, I would tell them to manage their time wisely and start working on assignments as quickly as possible, and have questions prepared before class so that after class you're not freaking out and don't know what to do. And then also just try out a different CMS for sure. Even though I learned a lot about Wix, I would have tried out Squarespace. And that's the only thing. Yeah, that's it. Thank you so much, Libby. Again, you were awesome. I really enjoyed this month in general with graphic design and web design. It was a challenge, but it was a great experience. And I'm sure working in the real world, it's going to be like that too, where you have to balance difficult stuff. And this was a great learning curve on that. So thank you.